Okay na? Oh, hello guys. Hello. Well, first of all, I want to thank God for giving us this wonderful occasion, for giving us Aloysia. Well, this is a very special day for me, for my wife Sheng, my family, a very special day for Aloysia. Me and my wife are very excited, very happy for this occasion. So I want to start off by thanking everyone who has traveled a distance to share this moment with us and supporting our beautiful daughter Loisha and supporting our family since her birth. See, little Loisha doesn't know it yet, but she has joined a great family. Salamat siya biyanan ko. Mama, salamat. Nanggaling pa ng norte sa brother ko, si Raymond. Salamat dahil nakuha mo pang bumili ng bagong polo shirt for this occasion. Sa pamangking kong si Rob, na alam kong sobrang busy pero naglaan ng panahon para paunlakan ang aking invitation. Maraming salamat. All my closest cousins and their whole family, thank you guys sa support. Sa buong cast ng GSIS na regular na nandyan for Sheng. Lalo na sa mga gantong okasyon, syempre, salamat. Para sa dalawang maid namin na mabait at masisipag para mag-alaga sa mga anak namin. Ika at Inday, salamat. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga godfather and godmother. Magkita-kita na lang tayo sa Facebook. And syempre, last but not the least, for you, Honey Sheng, congratulations. I know you put a lot of effort into planning the christening day. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Lastly, of course, our wish for you, anak, that your days will be overwhelmingly blessed, that your friends will be many, like daddy, maging malusog ka lagi, physically and spiritually, and as your parents, we will strive to raise you well. And that's all I want to say. God bless to all of you, to all of us. Enjoy. Cheers. Again, thank you very much.